Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So I'm on the road right now visiting family for Christmas, If you've watched my previous videos the last few days, you've probably noticed I've been experimenting with a few different filming setups. This looks a lot better than what I was doing on Zoom. That looks terrible. I am sorry for that terrible quality. Super temporary though. I will be back at my home soon enough. But anyways guys, before I dive into this video, make sure to drop it a big thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. In today's video, I will be going through NIO and I will give a stock price prediction, not out of thin air, by actually going through financials, and I'll project this out to the year 2025. So let's get straight into this video. Okay, so if you notice, I'll be looking down a lot in this video. It's because I got my laptop in my hand, going through this financial chart that I made for you guys. So looking at this chart, at the very top, you can see I have the current M cap, so it's the current market cap of $58 billion. That is what it is right now, and the share price is roughly $40 a share. And then I have three different columns where I have percent gain, revenue, and then the PS ratio. And then on the far right, I have things blocked out, and those columns is what the share price is going to be in the future years and what the market cap is going to be. Gets really interesting, so make sure you stay tuned for that, guys. But first thing is first, so right here I have the year 2021. We're expected to see 103% revenue gain, and this is what analysts are projecting. If that occurs, we are going to bring in $4.8 billion of revenue in the year 2021, and assuming the market cap stays the same through all this years, obviously that's not realistic, but it's just going to show you how far down the PS ratio goes if these projections are accurate. So, assuming the market cap stays at 58 billion, in a year from now, we'll have a PS ratio of 12. And this is down from about 23 right now. So that'd be really cheap. It's probably not going to happen, but this is just for explanation purposes. Moving forward to the year 2022, obviously I'm not going to assume we're going to grow at 103% rate year over year. So I'm just lowering it down each year. This could be off by 10, 20, 30%. I don't know. Nobody can tell you for sure, but I can tell you we're not going to grow at 103%. So for the year 2022, I just have it at 66% growth. That would bring the revenue for that year to $8 billion. And assuming the market cap never changes, then we would have a price to sales ratio of 7. Super cheap. 2023, I'm assuming we're going to grow at 50%, and that would bring the revenue to $12 billion, PS ratio of 5. So things are getting really cheap here, guys. 2024, I'm assuming we're going to grow at a rate of 40%, and that would be $17 billion of revenue, a PS ratio of 3.4. And then 2025, I'm assuming 35%, revenue would be $23 billion, and the PS ratio would be 2.5. This is grossly unrealistic. Like, this is just for explanation purposes if the share price never moves, to show you guys how unrealistic it would be that NIO 5 years out would be trading less than $40. It's going to trade a lot higher than this, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys here. So, if these revenue projections are accurate, and we assume in the future years NIO will trade at a PS ratio of about 15, right now it's trading at a PS ratio of 23. In the past, it's traded very low because it was nearly bankrupt, the company, and extremely speculative. Now the company's more established, we have a clearer business plan, and we can project revenues more accurately. I would say 15 could be conservative. It's probably in the middle range. I think that NIO could trade anywhere from a PS of 10 all the way to 35 maybe on the high end. But I like to be a little bit more conservative than aggressive. This is a safer approach to investing. So for these years, I'm going to assume we're going to trade at PS of 15. You can adjust this if you want, super easy to. But anyways, year 2021, if we bring in $4.8 billion of revenue and trade at a price to sales ratio of 15, the market cap would be $72 billion, and we'd be trading at a share price of 52. So that's interesting. We would actually be higher than right now. And a lot of people are thinking NIO is overvalued, which it slightly is overvalued, but if we grow at 103%, changes things, guys. That's a lot of growth. It gets really interesting, though, as this compound interest grows over the years. So if we go to the year 2022 and have a growth rate of 66%, using a PS of 15, the market cap would be 120 billion then. Share price of 88. That is over twice as high as we are today, guys. That is crazy. It gets a lot more interesting, though. Year 2023, assuming a 50% growth, 15 PS ratio, that would bring the market cap to 180 billion and a share price of 132. That's over a 3x return already. Year 2024, assuming a 40% growth, PS of 15 again, market cap of 255 billion and a share price of 187. That is very interesting. Almost 5xing your money, guys. Absolutely insane in my opinion. But the year 2025, of course, it just gets better. Year 2025, assuming a 35% growth rate, PS of 15, market cap will be 345 billion with a share price of 253. That is a 6x return, guys. 6x return in approximately 4 to 6 year time from now. That is crazy. And this isn't even unrealistic at all. I am actually shocked by this myself. I haven't looked too in-depthly in NIO. I did an overview of the company and I went through the investor presentation, researched it, but I always thought this company was just way overvalued considering it's trading at like $3 less than a year ago and now we're at $40. But the reality is NIO was just grossly undervalued. Now it's actually a lot more fairly valued. And if it continues at around this growth rate I have, guys, over the next 5 years, you're gonna 6x your money if you're buying at NIO at $40 a share. And I mean, imagine if you bought this company at $20 a share. That's over a 10x. So this is really exciting. This is me super excited. I need to buy in this company. I'm gonna continue to do more models like this and break it down further with margins and stuff. I gotta look into that. But using this, it gets really crazy the further you go out in years. I would love to go out to 2030 and see how much of a return you can expect then. But the thing that I don't like about projecting out 10 years, it gets really unpredictable. So much in the world changes in that time. So it's nice to see, but at the end of the day, a 5-year projection is a lot more realistic. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this video informative. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what your guys' price prediction is for the year 2025 for NIO. I really haven't been listening to any other YouTubers what they're thinking, but I think this is pretty realistic, honestly. So yeah, by the year 2025, we could be seeing a share price of 250. It'd be really hard to find a scenario where this stock is trading less than $40 a share. Like I showed you guys at the beginning part of the video, if we only ever stay at a 58 billion market cap, we'd be trading at a price to sales ratio of 2.5 in the year 2025. That is extremely unrealistic and not going to happen. So yeah, I think NIO has a very bright future ahead of it and a lot of room to run. And Tesla is the same way as well. I want to do this with Tesla in the next, hopefully, week for you guys as well. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see a video like this for Tesla and any other company. I can do this as well. So comment that down below too if you're interested to see that. And yeah, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.